Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, which is expected to be the next big release from DJI. This compact drone is positioned as a powerful tool for aerial photography, setting it apart from the DJI Neo, which is more geared towards vlogging. The excitement around the Mini 5 is building, and for good reason. One of the key design aspects of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its adherence to the 250 grams weight limit. This is crucial because it allows the drone to avoid FAA license requirements in the US. However, this weight constraint also means there are limitations on significant upgrades in sensor size or battery capacity. Despite these constraints, DJI is expected to deliver impressive features within this compact and lightweight design. Let's dive into the expected features and improvements of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, which would be a significant improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor. This larger sensor is expected to deliver better image quality, sharper details, and improved low-light performance. Additionally, AI tracking is likely to see enhancements, providing more accurate and longer tracking of moving subjects. There's also speculation about the inclusion of 5G connectivity, which would enhance control and allow for high-resolution live transmission. While the DJI Mini 5 is expected to offer refined features over the Mini 4 Pro, it's not anticipated to undergo major redesigns. The flight time is likely to remain around 40 minutes, maintaining the balance between performance and battery life. These incremental upgrades will ensure that the Mini 5 continues to be a reliable and capable drone for aerial photography and videography. Now let's talk about the expected launch timing for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Based on previous release patterns, it's predicted that the Mini 5 will be launched around November, approximately a year after the Mini 4 Pro's debut. This timing would position it well for the holiday season, making it an attractive option for those looking to upgrade their drone or purchase one as a gift. The DJI Mini 5 is ideal for beginners and enthusiasts who are looking for a capable, lightweight drone for aerial photography and videography. Its compact design and advanced features make it accessible for those new to drones, while still offering the performance and quality that more experienced users expect. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or creating dynamic videos, the Mini 5 Pro is designed to empower creators of all levels. To wrap things up, we've explored the exciting features and anticipated improvements of the DJI Mini 5. From its advanced camera system and AI tracking enhancements to its compact design and adherence to the 250 grams weight limit, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be a powerful tool for aerial photography and videography. With expected features like a 1-inch sensor and potential 5G connectivity, this drone is set to deliver exceptional performance in a lightweight package. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, a DJI Mini 5 Pro is designed to meet your needs and elevate your creative projects. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. See you in the next video.